Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an iPhone that is frozen without losing any of your data. This is the quick fix and the first thing that you want to try if your iPhone screen is glitching, not responding, or just simply stuck or frozen. So first thing you're going to do is locate the volume up and volume down button and then this big side button. So what you're going to do is quickly press and release the volume up, followed by press and release the volume down before holding on to this side button just like that. And what you'll get is this pop-up to slide to power off, but do not touch that. Just keep on holding that big side button just like I am here until the screen goes completely black. And we're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear, and then we're going to let go of that side button. Again, all I did was quickly press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down before coming on and holding on to this side button until the screen went completely black. This is known as a forced restart, which is the very first troubleshooting step when it comes to fixing any issue that you're having with your iPhone. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps, documents, music, everything will still be on your phone. And if it doesn't work the first time, it's Siri activated or looking to activate, you didn't press the volume up and down quick enough, you can do it again. Again, it's just volume up or volume down, and then you hold on to that side button, and you can do this as many times as you need to until you get it right. So go ahead and try this method, and hopefully by following these steps, your iPhone screen will be unfrozen or unstuck, and it will work like new again. And if this video was helpful, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.